Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic names in motocross, the 2026 Yamaha YZ250, known for its legendary two-stroke punch and razor-sharp handling. The YZ250 has been a rider favorite for decades. The 2026 model carries that legacy forward while introducing modern updates that make it even more competitive and thrilling to ride. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this YZ250 is ready to dominate the dirt once again. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 sports a refreshed design that blends aggression with function. The bodywork has been slimmed down for improved rider movement, while the new seat and shroud design offer better ergonomics during intense cornering. Updated graphics and bold color options highlight Yamaha's racing DNA, giving the bike a professional factory look straight from the showroom. The new lightweight plastics and revised frame geometry enhance both style and rider comfort. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 YZ250 remains the iconic 249C liquid-cooled two-stroke engine, delivering that signature explosive power band riders love. Yamaha has optimized the exhaust and carburetor settings for smoother throttle response and improved mid-range torque. The 5-speed transmission is now more refined, offering quicker, crisper shifts. Suspension comes courtesy of fully adjustable KYB components, with new damping settings that provide exceptional control over jumps and rough terrain. The lightweight aluminum frame continues to deliver outstanding rigidity and balance, safety and technology. While still rooted in classic two-stroke simplicity, the 2026 YZ250 benefits from modern enhancements. The braking system features updated calipers and rotors for stronger stopping power. The handlebar-mounted kill switch and adjustable clutch lever improve rider control and safety. Yamaha's updated chassis tuning also contributes to more predictable handling, allowing riders to push harder with confidence. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 keeps everything riders love about the classic two-stroke while refining it for the next generation. With its improved ergonomics, sharper performance, and signature Yamaha durability, this machine stands ready to rule the motocross tracks once again. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates, reviews, and first rides of the latest performance machines on two wheels.